Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install the side steps, also known as running boards, on 2018 Infiniti QX60. So here are all the pieces: left side, right side, a bunch of bolts and two running boards. So here's the car. So now we're going to assemble the brackets. Okay guys, so here's how this mounts. You look under the car, here right on the step, have those plastic covers all the way from the back to the front. And here we're gonna use the T-bolts. So I already put those in there. You see that two sticking out. This is how it looks like. And they were a little bit too big, so I had to grind the top. This one is kind of chipped too. But yeah, on this side, right here, needed to be grinded a little bit. So now when we have it grinded, we took the plastic cover out. There was one like this. And now this goes in there just like that. They give us little plastic clips that, so we're gonna adjust it one way or the other so it's kind of straight. There we go, that it sticks out as much as possible. And then we slide that on there. Okay. Okay guys, so now we have the board. They give you 6 screws, I guess. There's an option to get the third mount bracket. So we have front and rear, and there are 2 bolts for the front, 2 in the middle, which I'm not gonna use, so I just locked them, and 2 in the rear. And now the slides, do them almost all the way, and now the bracket slides right under the washer. Okay guys, so here's the final look. It looks pretty awesome. Very nice. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.